Hello everyone, welcome back. Just out here and got some baked potatoes on the gas grill. I'm actually cooking a whole bunch of stuff up today. Some of it will be for dinner, some of it will be for lunch, and continue to be for dinner and lunch.
Beef patty.
Tommy and I were really touched by your story. It's very emotional. And we knew that we had to have you guys here. So we're so happy it never stops.
You can do it.
From the time she wakes up in the morning, she goes to Children's Hospital, and she
We're cooking up T-bones. I've got pork steaks. I'm cooking up 3 of them. 2 of them have one kind of seasoning and the third one has a different kind of seasoning. And this is alligator.
I'm sure it's arguing.
I think I'm going to throw this alligator on first. That's not going to take too long. I just went in there and shut off the, I have the little pieces of ham cooking and homemade bacon. And I've got the boiled potatoes. They're still boiling, and those get mixed into green beans. We just had that the other day when we were at a restaurant. They were really good, so I'm going to try them at home. I think I'm just going to take and throw these pork steaks over here and let them cook for a little bit on indirect heat. Time to make a plate. Time to eat. Okay everyone, well that was delicious. I actually had to take a nap after that. I couldn't eat everything on my plate. The steak was really good. The pork steak, I had a little bit of that. That was pretty good. The alligator, that one, I've never had it on the barbecue before. I did like that. Alligator has a little bit of a fishy taste to it, but it's still really good. I'll see you guys on the next video.